Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do a sumo deadlift properly for men. First, let's get your setup right. Stand with your feet much wider than shoulder width, toes pointing outward at roughly a 45-degree angle. The barbell should be directly over the middle of your feet, close to your shins. Squat down, keeping your chest high and your shoulders directly above the bar. This wide stance allows for a more upright torso and shorter range of motion. Now let's execute the lift. Engage your core tightly, maintaining a straight back and keeping your hips low. Grip the bar with your hands inside your knees, using either an overhand or a mixed grip for better control. As you initiate the pull, drive powerfully through your heels, extending your hips and knees at the same time. Keep the bar close to your body throughout the entire upward movement, finishing with a strong lockout. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding these tips helpful for your sumo deadlift, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Your support helps us create more content. On another note, just like mastering the sumo deadlift requires focus, expanding your knowledge is key. For all your learning on the go, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Lowering the weight safely is just as important as the lift itself. To begin the descent, push your hips back first, allowing the bar to travel down your thighs. Once the bar clears your knees, then bend your knees to guide it smoothly to the floor. Always maintain a tight core and a straight back throughout this entire controlled movement. Avoid letting the bar crash down. A controlled negative builds strength and prevents injury.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.